Yo guys, welcome back to my channel. This week was rough. This week was actually rough. So I took one win, two losses, and like 4 breakables. Yeah. So and I blew one of my accounts on this date. This was yesterday on Thursday. Something happened on Thursday. I took this trade here. Price moved around 1 to 1.5, almost 1 to 1.5 reached toward the share price, came back to give me a break even here, and then price was moving to the upside again. So I was upset and I decided to risk 2%. Price moved very close to my take profit, and then price reversed to being break even. And my plan was that if price could hit this TP before, I would have been able to recover my drawdown. And I took this trade on my 10k account, right? And then price came back to give me another break even. So I entered on this trade again. Price went very close to my break even. To say I was still risking 2% here, and then price, came down again, hit my break even. So at this time, my emotions was all over the place, guys. Was all over the place. So I said, okay, once price break this low, I will take the sell. Bro, I just took this sell, and then I did not even set stop loss with 2% risk. And then I had just like 5% left on my account. So I breached the daily drawdown. Yeah, so because trade went against me, right? And that's it. So I blew the 10k account, and it was all my fault, seriously. Now my plan, guys, is to take a break, from YouTube, because somehow this YouTube thing has added some level of pressure to my trading, and I want to take a break for a while, so let me focus on myself for a while before I come back, and then also I will take a break from trading, maybe 1 or 2 weeks before I come back again to see where I'm really missing it. However, I have checked my journal to see where I'm missing a ball. Can't find anything. So maybe it's the market that is just being like this for, but I would check my journal to see where I'm missing it, or do some back testing, then okay, I'll come back again, So but for now, guys, I'm going to take a break. So thank you guys for always supporting me and always showing up, always coming back to support your boy. So I'm going to let you guys know when I come back to YouTube. All right. Well, thank you very much, guys. Have a good one.